In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in EA app for Apex Legends. If you'd like to change the name that appears with your EA account while playing Apex Legends, the process is quick and only takes a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you how to update both your profile nickname and your EA ID, since each one serves a different purpose. Follow along carefully, and you'll have your new name set up in no time. To begin, open the EA app on your computer and sign in to the EA account that you use to play Apex Legends. It's important to make sure you're logged into the correct account, because any changes you make will apply to that EA account and will be reflected in supported EA games. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right corner of the EA app and click the arrow next to your profile. A menu will appear with several account options. From that menu, select My Profile to open your profile page. After your profile loads, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. You'll now have the option to update your profile nickname. Enter the nickname you'd like to use, making sure it follows EA's naming guidelines. Once you've entered your preferred nickname, save the changes. If the name is available and meets the requirements, your new nickname will be updated successfully. If your goal is to change your actual EA ID instead of just your profile nickname, you'll need to take one additional step. Return to the EA app and open the Settings menu. From there, select the Manage option. This will open your EA account page in your default web browser, where you can manage your account information. On the EA account page, locate your EA ID and choose the Edit option. Before you can make changes, EA will ask you to verify your identity by sending a security code to your registered email address. Request the code, then open your email inbox and retrieve it. Enter the verification code on the EA account page to continue. After your identity has been verified, you'll be able to edit your EA ID. Enter the new name you'd like to use, and make sure it complies with EA's terms and naming requirements. Save your changes to complete the process. Once your new EA ID has been updated, the change should appear in Apex Legends. If you don't see the new name immediately, simply close the game and launch it again. In most cases, your updated EA ID will appear after the game refreshes your account information. That's all it takes to change your name in the EA app for Apex Legends. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,